The helicopter's been flying around for a while now. I'm sick of it. See if he comes back. I hear him. There he goes. That thing's been pestering me for a while now. It's like like a bee in your ear, you know, keeps flying around. See if he comes back. Way down there. I don't know if he'll be back or not. Anyway, guys, I've been really busy cutting the grass, getting debris and old mulch up. That's all gone into the compost pile. I took a lot of leaves out and tilled them into my garden out front and got dirt. The hay is for when I do grass seed. It should be soon. Just show you what I've been up to today. Got dirt in my garden here. It's just a lot of work, you know. This tree here, I believe, is it's dead. So this tree will be coming out, and another garden will be going in. A lot of tomatoes coming up down there. You can make that out. There you go. It's a lot of tomatoes. And a lot of tomatoes. And we'll take a quick walk over here and show you. I didn't do anything with this garden bed yet because I got time. I have a lot of tomatoes coming in. A lot of tomatoes. So I'm going to be picking some of these tomatoes out. I got more over here. All the way up and along there. Now we got tomatoes. That's all tomatoes out here. Got another batch of tomatoes up there. And over there. And some over there. All. Got more over here. They're all over. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to start potting all these. I'm going to put them for sale out front, $1/4 a piece. And see if I get rid of them, you know. Otherwise, a lot of them I got to chop because I got so many of them, it's not funny. Alright, I'll take you to, I did cut some of the grass here and I cut out front. Got the hose out. And I got my hole in the board. And my hose is all connected. All I gotta do is turn it on. I'm just not ready to do that. I got all my mulch here. And up in here. And of course I got mulch all the way over in here. I assembled all this. Probably be marigolds and all these. And mulch all the way down. So, and I had to go run up the road with the garbage can fill up. I also had a lot of dirt in here and got, like, I think I have 3 rows of string beans planted in here. And I'm going to do the same over here. I'm going to have another 3 rows. Added a lot of soil and tilled the heck out of this garden. You can kind of see all the leaves in there. There's a lot of leaves in there. 3 garbage cans full in here. That's going to feed the worms that are going to poop out worm castings, and the plants love it. So, added a lot of soil to low spots. Maybe even a little more over here in this area here. And over here, dug out the grass around this tree about 8 inches. Filled it with some fresh soils. And just been busy all day cleaning and raking. This is going to be all different. These rocks are coming out of here. The birdhouse, the bird bath is going to stay. This pot's going to be moved. And this gutter is going to be cut. Maybe back to here. And then this is just going to be mulch in the bird bath. Of course, I emptied out my 3 cans from trash during the winter. I still have 1 can of wood chips that's going to be burnt soon. And I have to take care of the gypsy moth problem here. Also, I cut all this here. There's the gypsy moth. So I'm going to cut that branch. I'm going to make a fire out back when I burn it. Yeah, I got some stuff going on in here. We got some broccoli. We're going to have melons here. Hopefully we're going to have watermelons. This is all going to be peppers. Over here, it's all going to be sunflowers. I still have an empty space for maybe jalapenos. And I got tomatoes in here. It's a different kind of tomato. So I got to add dirt in here. We got our strawberry plants growing here. So I'll have a few strawberries, not much. It's all going to be strawberries. I'm just going to let it go. Up here we got watermelon plants. Organic, everything organic. Here we got some sunflower sprouts that would be planted in pot soil and probably in these containers here. Some more watermelons. I do have some giant watermelon seeds. I don't know if they're going to take. Well, some more pepper seeds. And up here I got a water. I don't know if these are still good. I believe I have some tomato seeds in here and some cucumbers. Here's a batch of tomatoes I took out of the garden already. I'm going to grow these. They're going to be my main tomatoes this year. That wraps up everything in the greenhouse. So I had a very busy day today. I still have to go through all this stuff on a rainy day or something. I'm going to go through all and clean all this debris. It's going to be nice and clean. Got a lot of egg containers for more seeds. I'm going to bury this cable. And if you noticed on the dish, the orange cord is gone because I pulled it all out. Well, now I'm going to bury this in here. This cable here is going to be gone underground for the antennas. And over here, I took out the orange cables. And I put my line from my antennas in. So I have another line available, which might come in handy for another TV in the near future. So here's my orange line. Got to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Tools to use today. And I guess that's going to wrap it up. I don't see the helicopter anymore. Well, I also cut all this grass and weeds and stuff out front too. Just been busy all day. I had a birdhouse that fell from that tree. I have it underneath. I gotta get it back up there.